Hi techies, welcome to Engineers Tech, a channel solely dedicated to technology and innovations. So, today we are going to design Ferrari 1950 Formula car chassis in SolidWorks 2019. So let's start. First of all, we have to create a new part using Control and SolidWorks. So let's start with the design. First of all, we have to ensure that the MMGS unit is selected because the unit will be in millimeter, and show the right plane. From there you have to make a reference plane on the right side of right plane at a distance of 800 mm, and don't select the offset option. So next, repeat the same function using the right plane only, and make a plane on the left side right plane at a distance of 1200 mm. Remember to flip the offset this side, choosing the plane you have built on the left side of right plane. Again, make a plane at a distance of 800 mm on the left side of the selected plane. Okay, now you have to repeat the same feature because we have to get 4 planes on the left side of right plane. So we will repeat this and flip the offset and make the numbers of plane as 2, so as to get 4 planes on the right side of so as to get the 4 planes on the left side of right plane. Okay, now let's start building a sketch, but don't forget to adjust the plane so as to make a ease for making a sketch. We will stretch the planes from the both sides so that the origin will be approximately in center, and try to adjust right plane because right plane is actually linked to the 2 planes on its left and right, so both the planes will be adjusted accordingly. Also, these 2 planes which are aligned according to the plane number 3. Good. Now, so next we have to select the plane 1 and make a sketch. Make it normal, just check whether it aligned correctly or not. Okay, now start the center rectangle and make a rectangle at the origin. Dimensions are 800 mm and 800 mm. It will be square. Right middle at the center of the sketch. Next, we have to repeat the same feature on the other plane, except the right plane. Right plane will be having a different sketch. So select the plane next to the right plane and make a sketch. Choose convert entities and just select the perimeter of that square you have built on the last plane. Convert entities. That is how you will get the same sketch on the plane you have selected. It will just reflect it on that plane, and you have to repeat this feature in the next 2 planes. So to repeat this feature, I convert sketch entities, select the sketch, okay, and repeat it again. Just keep looking whether you have selected the right plane or not. Sometimes it creates a little confusion if there are so many planes in the same sketch. Select the perimeter and convert entities. That is how we will do it. On the last plane, the sketch will be different because that is the ending part of our chassis. It will be a smaller square with different dimension. Choose the center origin and make a center rectangle there, and the dimensions would be 400 by 600, and this will be 600 mm. So now let's move on the right plane. There will be a different sketch. It will be the place where the driver's body will be rested. Select the right plane and then go to sketch, make it normal, and choose the center rectangle option and make a rectangle not on center but perpendicular to the, aligned to the center. Put the dimensions as 1000 and 1250. Now choose the origin and base of the rectangle and set the dimension as 550. Yeah. Just choose a line and start from the base of the rectangle, go straight upwards, and there you make an arc, and the line should be back at the base. Now we will put the dimensions of this line from the origin would be 200 mm. That's how quite obvious that the radius of the arc would be 200 mm. No need to put the radius there, it's already 200. And now the point and the base would be at a distance of 1500 mm. So now our sketching work is complete. Next is our 3D sketch. 3D sketch function can be accessed from this drop-down menu, and the best thing about 3D sketch is you don't need to choose any plane. You can start from anywhere. It's a 3D sketch. You can go from y-axis to x-axis without any difficulty. Just remember to choose the snap points. Snap points are the orange points that you get. The snap points are the kind of a guide that will put you on the right point. Just ensure that the orange snap points are selected before joining the line, and you have to repeat this on the 4 sides. So our sketch is almost complete. Wait, I guess one. Yeah, now we are going to make supports. That would be structural support. Go to line and join these 2 points on the both sides. Similarly, we will provide supports on the front part of the chassis. I think I have done it a little wrong, so no need to worry. Just go to trim command and select the line you want to trim and just make it as you wanted it to be. Again, it's quite easy. So now our sketch is totally complete, and now just move on to the next step, which is providing a structural feature to this. Go to elements and select structural member. From there, ensure the NC inch is open and the other requirements as I have selected. Now start making groups. Groups are a set of bar or rods that make a closed figure. For example, here the square is one group and I cannot select the other entity without going to new group. Just keep in mind, after the sketch is totally complete, I mean the totally closed, you have to go to new group and start again. You have to repeat this feature in the whole design. Select square first of all and then the connecting rods. All the squares will be done similarly. So next we have to start the supporting rods. Each line of a supporting rod become one group. Then we have to choose new group so as to make the other line or the group. Repeat this feature on all the 4 sides. And don't forget these supporting rods. You can choose all of them at once in a single group. Okay, now I see all the design work is done now. Next is just to provide it a better look. Yeah, these 2 dots are also necessary for the support. Fine, now the model is almost complete except the appearance part. Now just go out of the sketch and the feature. That is our structure ready. Just hide these planes one by one and also hide the sketches involved within the plane. So our model is ready now. We'll provide it a better appearance. For that we'll go to metal, aluminium, select the seat and finish, Then we'll go to edit appearance and provide it a better color. I will go with black, but you can choose any color of your choice. Now it is looking much better. So that is how you can easily design any chassis of a car in SolidWorks using these easy features.